Welcome students for this quick session on uh, periodic table neat questions drill. It is a rapid drill so that we will read the question and suggest the answer without much explanation. If you need any explanation, you please put it in the comment section. Okay. Among the following, which one has the highest cation to anion size ratio? So you need a bigger cation and a smaller anion. Only option is B. Among the elements with following electronic configuration, which one of them may have the highest ionization energy? The given options are the given electronic configurations indicate D neon 3s2 3p3, that is phosphorus half filled p orbitals. 13. Which one of the following arrangements does not give the correct picture of the trends indicated against it? It is a bit time consuming, you should be careful. Again, this question has two options. A is not indicating the correct order of bond dissociation energies because Cl2 bond dissociation energy is greater than that of F2. Very small fluorine atoms, when they come close, the bond pair and the lone pairs get repelled. Actually, it should not be asked in the lesson periodic properties. It should go to chemical bonding. B is fine. C is excellent. Again, D is wrong. So both A and D correspond to the answer. Identify the correct order of the size of the following. For the 14th question, obviously A is the answer. 15. With which of the following electronic configuration an atom has the lowest ionization? Alkali metals. B corresponds to the answer. 16. Which one of the following ionic species has the greatest proton affinity to form stable compound? Again, this should not come in this lesson. It should come in another lesson called ionic equilibrium. And we will not comment on this. Answer to this is A. Leave this question at this point of time. Which one of the following orders is not in accordance with the properties stated against it? We got this question earlier. Answer to this question is definitely A. Again, this question is out of bounds. Which one of the following arrangements represent the correct order of electron gain enthalpy of the given atomic species? Answer is D. Ionic radii are inversely proportional to effective nuclear charge is true. That is the answer. 20. I think it is visible. The ions O minus 2 F minus Na plus Mg plus 2 Al plus 3 are isoelectronic. Their ionic radii show, if you carefully look at, a significant decrease from O minus 2 to Al plus 3 because we know the reason. Which statement is wrong? Bond energy of F2 is greater than Cl2 is wrong. Bond energy of F2 is less than that of Cl2. Answer is A. 22. Which of the following elements has the maximum electron affinity? Answer is C. The first ionization enthalpy of beryllium and boron. Beryllium is greater than that of boron. The only option that corresponds to this is D. Reason: beryllium has full 2s orbitals that has extra stability. Which one of the following order correct order of the size of iodine species? Obviously, I minus is bigger than I is bigger than I plus. Option B. Which of the following ion is the largest in the size? S minus 2, that is D. Which of the following has the smallest size? Al plus 3. No. A option. Electron configuration of an element 1s to 2s to 2p6 3s to 3p3. What is the atomic number of the element? Add all the electrons, that is the number of protons, because it is a neutral atom. So answer supposed to be this question. Can you see, sir, what it is? What it is? Please notice, whenever you are putting electrons in 3p, after 3s to 3p3, the atomic number is 15. Now, what is the atomic number of the element below the element? If this is 15, if you want to go element which is next to it, add 18. 15 plus 18 is 33. You understand? It's an interesting question. They gave a configuration. They wanted to know atomic number of next element. Take the sum of all the electrons of the neutral atom. That is the atomic number. To a given atomic number, if it is between 2 to 12, add 8 to get atomic number of next element. If it is 13 to 39, add 18 to get atomic number of next element. If it is 40 or more, add 32 to get the atomic number of next element. Are we very clear about it, sir? Now, can you see this question? Next question. One would expect proton to have very large, a proton is supposed to have very large hydration energy. Hydration energy is the energy released when a proton is kept in water due to encompassment, due to surrounding of water molecules. Very frequently asked question. Though lithium ion is very small, in aqueous solution lithium ion appears to be very big. Why? Because lithium ion when kept in water is excessively hydrated. This ability to get hydrated is more if the ion size is small. So lithium ion in aqueous solution is much bigger than sodium ion, potassium ion, rubidium ion, even cesium ion, due to its ability to get excessive hydration. Anyway, 29. Na plus Mg plus 2Al plus Si plus 4 isoelectronic. Obvious question, no need to discuss the answer. C. If the atomic number of an element is 33, it will be placed in the periodic table. Can you think the answer to this question, sir? It is in 5th group. Actually, I should say it is in 15th group, nitrogen phosphorus family. In the periodic table from left to right, in a period the atomic volume will first decrease and then increase. This is an interesting question one should notice. Do you know what is the definition of atomic volume? Recollect my lectures. Which electronic configuration of an element has abnormally high difference between the second and third ionization energy? The element that belongs to second group will have highest third ionization energy. So you choose an element that belongs to second group, that is D. One of the characteristic properties of non-metal is that can you see that they are electronegative. Metals are reducing agents, they lose electrons. Metals make basic oxides. Metals form cations by electron loss. I don't know. The third option C is statement itself is wrong. D, they are electronegative. Notice that non-metals means they are electronegative. Non-metals make anions by electron gain. So only option D is right. Pauling electronegativity values of elements for elements are useful in predicting. Pauling electronegativity values are useful in predicting the polarity of the molecules. More electronegative fellow will make a negative pole in a molecule. Less electronegative fellow will make a positive pole in a molecule. The electronic configuration of 4 elements are given below. Which element does not belong to the same family as others? Can you see that C is not belonging to same family? Notice in the A option there is a printer's devil. Can you see the printer's devil? There is a printer's devil in option A. But anyway, which is not belonging to same family is C. In the periodic table, with the increase in atomic number, the metallic character of an element, a very standard question, decreases in a period and increases in a group. So this is the quick review of some questions, and we come up with additional questions in next video. Please give your comment if you don't understand any question. Thank you very much.